How to download Facebook Messenger conversations. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Facebook app. And from here, click on the menu icon at the bottom right. And at the bottom, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings once again. And at the top, you should be able to see your account center. Tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down a bit and tap on Your Information and Permissions. Okay, so this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, tap on Export Your Information and tap on Create Export. Go to Export to Device. Now, if you missed this next part, you'll have to start over. From here, you can tap on Customize Information. And what we're going to do is to deselect everything else aside from messages. So we tap on Clear All at the top right and only tap on the checkbox in line with messages. There's more here, so scroll down and tap on Clear All for everything else except for messages. And again, make sure that messages is checked like this. Tap on Save at the bottom. And for the date range, you can change that as well. If you want to download everything, you can tap on all time, but it may take longer to export, so you can select any date range you would prefer and tap on Save at the bottom. For the format, keep it as HTML, and for the media quality, you can select whichever you prefer as well and tap on Start Export. You would have to re-enter your password to continue, and it will then say that they are preparing your information, and once it is ready, you can go back to this step and you should be able to find the download button. You can tap on that and tap on download. It will redirect you to Safari and click on download to download the zip file. Now the next steps are also important, so make sure to keep watching. From here, go to the download section of Safari by clicking on this little arrow at the bottom. Go to downloads and tap on the zip file that you just downloaded, and it will redirect you to the Files app. Tap on the zip file to extract it. You will then have this folder. Open it up, go to your Facebook activity, and go to Messages, and you would have to open up the Inbox folder. It will then be organized according to the person that you have conversations with. You can go through each folder and each conversation like this. And that is how you basically download Facebook Messenger conversations.